Welcome to Mastering Topical Authority with SyncRanker. If you're a small business owner or SEO freelancer looking to automate your success, pay attention. We know you want real, measurable SEO results, and you want them fast. Imagine transforming a flat performance graph into explosive growth. We're talking about hitting peak SEO performance in as little as 30 days. So what is the secret to moving beyond basic keywords and truly dominating search? It's called Topical Authority. It's about establishing your website as the definitive source for a specific niche. When Google sees you cover every facet of a topic, your entire site's ranking improves exponentially. But building that content web manually, that's where most businesses fail. Wasting hours manually linking internal pages and auditing your silos is outdated and inefficient. That's why you need SyncRanker. We combine the best of human expertise with the power of hybrid AI. SyncRanker is the automation solution you've been waiting for, packed with features designed for speed and authority. Feature 1. Forget copy-pasting. Write your authoritative content and publish directly to WordPress in a single, perfectly optimized click. Feature 2. Boost dwell time instantly. SyncRanker automates video embeds, keeping visitors on your page longer and signaling high quality to search engines. Stop building content silos the hard way. It's time to use the modern salesperson's superpower. Visit SyncRanker.com now to claim your competitive edge. Ready to see results in 30 days? Start your free trial today and master Topical Authority.